Prince Harry's team is set to appeal against the latest ruling over his security in the UK, but there could be a particular reason behind that decision, according to a legal expert. Related articles: Prince Harry is set to appeal against a ruling over his security arrangements in the UK, and it could all be down to a particular reason, a legal expert has claimed. The Duke of Sussex on Wednesday lost a High Court challenge against the Home Office over a decision to change the level of his personal security when he visits the UK. Harry took legal action over the February 2020 decision of the Executive Committee for the Protection of Royalty and Public Figures, revela, after being told he would no longer be given the same degree of publicly funded protection when in the country. He claimed in the lawsuit that he and his family were endangered when visiting the UK because of hostility toward him and his wife Meghan Markle on social media and relentless hounding by news media. But in a ruling yesterday, retired High Court Judge Sir Peter Lane rejected the Duke's case and concluded revela's approach was not irrational nor procedurally unfair. In a 51-page ruling that was censored throughout to protect identities and security arrangements for Harry and other public figures, Lane wrote, "Insofar as the case-by-case approach may otherwise have caused difficulties, they have not been shown to be such as to overcome the high hurdle so as to render the decision making irrational." Now senior solicitor at legal expert, Eleanor Coleman, has commented on the latest ruling and highlighted the reason behind Harry's team's appeal. She claimed the decision essentially limits the government's responsibility if the Duke is ever involved in an accident or something similar to his infamous New York chase by the paparazzi in 2023 or the incident in 2021 in London when the royal was chased by photographers after attending an event with seriously ill children at Kew Gardens. Ms. Coleman told The Mirror, based on the Home Office's position of providing bespoke security, it's likely that Harry will still benefit from protection when he does visit the country. However, the judgment as it stands limits their responsibility should an incident arise with the prince, such as the paparazzi chase in 2021. If a repeat incident arose and the prince suffered an injury, the Home Office could argue that they held no responsibility, and this may be the reason why Harry's legal team wishes to challenge the ruling. Meanwhile, the Home Office was pleased with the ruling and was considering its next steps. A spokesperson said it didn't say what those steps might be, but it could seek reimbursement of its legal fees for prevailing in court.